And for today's video, titikim ako ng mga food na usually hindi ko talaga binibili dito. So, pag pumunta kami ng SM, usually mga snack time na, and hindi ako adventurous. So, usually yung mga binibili namin, yun lang yung palagi naming binibili. So, this time, ito na, start tayo dito sa Auntie Anne's. So, usually, nakatikim na naman kami dito. But this is, parang, parang bumalik na this is blueberry and cream cheese. Then, of course, naman to, masarap talaga to. But, with this combo, yeah, perfect. Perfect for snack. And this is 125. So ngayon nasa Orange Brutus kami. Ang Orange Brutus guys, alam ko matagal na itong fast food, pero ngayon lang kami nakakain talaga. Kasi usually Jollibee lang, tapos McDonald's. And masarap pala talaga yung burger steak nila dito, tsaka yung kanilang fish fillet. So, bili tayo ng burger. How's the blueberry?
Yummy. I like blueberry.
Of course, this is really yummy. So, bird burger, big fries. And ito yung combo nila. Masarap din yung pate nila. Okay na to.
Ano siya? Mukhang pa.
Yogurt at yaw-yaw. Not a fan of yogurt kasi parang maasim, but I'll try. So, may kakain naman pag ayaw ko. So, first time namin so, hindi naman mahaba yung pila so far. So, gusto kong ma-try. I hope magustuhan ko. Taste test. Go. Come on. Ma'am. I thought it's yummy.
What flavor is that?
So it's yummy. Kaya pala maraming pumipila. Yogurt alone plus the topping. Parang nag-complement siya dati. Akala ko kasi maasim. Hindi naman pala. I'll definitely buy another. So, ngayon guys, nandito na ang aming food. Yan, ito yung chicken. Tapos, ano na dahil? Sangyup. So, sangyup set. So, ito yung first time na kumain kami dito. Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa mga Korean food. So, ito yung first time na maka-order. Pero, syempre yung taste naman para sa akin, itong chicken, parang usual, lang naman chicken para. But, yung feeling na ganito, matry ko, para if ever, may magkaroon ng chance na pumunta ng Korea, di ba? So, pwede. Okay, how's the food? Walang order si Darla kasi takot siya. Takot siya mag-order.
Parang grilled pork lang. Yung sauce, kanya.
I may not have opener.
Kaya ang hanggamay.
But I do have hope. I opened it by myself. It has boba too.
Parang hindi ito ang bet kong orderin. Kasi gusto ko yung mga matatamis, like sweet, spicy.
Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing.
What did you order?
Winter melon milk tea. It actually has the taste of winter melon more than any other store I've been to. And it's in a can. That's what makes it so special.
And here's also tikbuki. I don't know, hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce. Rice cake pala ito.
Tikboke.
Buki.
Tikbok? I don't know.
I don't know. So, yung lasa, sweet, spicy. So far, okay naman, but hindi ko pala siya fully appreciated. This is the corn dog. Yeah. Nothing fancy. Same. Pwede na. Sabi ni Darla, babalik siya dito for this milk tea.
Only for snacks. But
Yeah.
not have dinner. It's nice though. You should try it.
Yeah, pwede na for snack. But for the meal, I think, parang hindi namin to hahanap-hanapin. So, we're done. We're full. How was it? How was the experience?
I'm full. Mom, a little tea was right beside.
Ayun ako tintala dahil din ako busog na ko. So, you wanna try again? Korean?
I'm full.
Wala man siya ni kaon. So, this ends our tasting. Yung first time tasting ng mga food. So, konti lang yung natikman namin kasi nanood kami ng movie. But so far, okay naman yung mga natikman namin. Happy naman ako na matry ko ito ng first time kasama si Daddy.